With this method, the wastewater travels through a series of tank-like chambers. First, the grit chamber, then the primary sedimentation tank, the reaction tank, and the final sedimentation tank, and at last, the disinfection facility. Let's follow this process. This is the grit chamber. The wastewater flows along slowly as the soil and sand sink. The screenings are removed in this way with rakes. The primary sedimentation tank. Here, the wastewater flows slowly along, with even the finer waste, soil and sand particles removed. The wastewater is then channeled into this reaction tank. In the tank, activated sludge, flock containing microorganisms, is added to the wastewater, with air blown in and the action of the microorganisms used to treat the wastewater. The activated sludge and the sanitary sewage. Let's take a closer look. A flock resembling brown-colored mud. This is activated sludge. This activated sludge is made up of many different types of protozoa, bacteria, and other organisms. These microorganisms feed on the waste and the sanitary sewage as nutrients and grow into large flocks which easily sink. The properties of the wastewater are checked and controlled daily at the wastewater treatment plant water quality test lab. The final sedimentation tank. Here, the flocks of activated sludge sink and are separated from the clean treated wastewater. The activated sludge sinking to the bottom of the tank goes to the sludge treatment center for treatment. You can see how the wastewater is treated in the treatment plant.